Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to unsubscribe from Regal Unlimited. If you are ready to cancel your subscription, follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Regal app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your subscription. Once inside, tap on the profile icon or menu button, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the menu, find and tap on subscriptions or Regal Unlimited, depending on your app version. Next, you will see an option to cancel subscription. Tap on it and follow the on-screen prompts. You might need to provide a reason for canceling or confirming your choice. After confirming, you will receive a notification or email to confirm that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep this for your records. That's it. You have successfully unsubscribed from Regal Unlimited. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.